Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. We have got another one of our lovely Caravelles for you today in beautiful Ravenna Blue. This is a 2020 70 plate model, BiTDi Executive, so top of the range model with our MASV styling pack and quite a few extra bits on it. So I'll take you around the vehicle, show you the condition and talk you through some of the spec. As you can see, it's got our lower front spoiler on there, all the gloss black pack, and the LED headlights that are standard on the Executive model. Barring just the odd small stone chip, it's absolutely lovely condition. You've got to expect the odd small stone chip at 15,000 miles, a couple of years old. It's got the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels and 30mm genuine Volkswagen lowering springs, just to complete that lowered, more sporty look. You'll notice it doesn't have the chrome strips as many Caravelles do. We colour coded it all just to finish it off and bring the whole side of the vehicle together. Roof rails and sidebars on the vehicle too, and it does have the leather and alcantara seats inside. This particular one has the Pro navigation upgrade, full widescreen nav with wireless app connect. Other standard bits that it's got on the Executive are fully electric sliding doors, park assist, which includes side sensors, front and rear sensors, a heated front screen. It's got climate control in both zones in the front and also a separate controller for the rear. So it's very high spec, hence if you're coming out of something like a Range Rover or a BMW X5, just because you need that extra space and full-size seats, you're not losing too much in terms of spec by moving to one of these. You've got the triple bench seat at the rear, table in the middle, and the two swivelling captain seats just behind the driver and passenger. Everything works on a rail system, so you can slide back and forth or remove as you wish. So essentially you can turn these to face front if you want to. You can put the table down, move out the way, or fully take out. And that triple does turn into a bed also. This one's got a very rare option on the Caravelle actually. It's got the opening side windows. Normally because of the 3 zone they don't have those fitted, but it was specified when new. That's the controller for the rear climate control. And there are blinds to all windows as well. On the rear it has our MASV badging and a shaped rear plate. Reversing camera present too. And a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. Now this one's also had a detachable tow bar fitted, so if you need to carry anything at all, be it bikes, a trailer or a caravan, you have got that facility. It's a fully electric tailgate. And we've moved the seats back to their furthest point just to maximise the room in the cab. But obviously if you needed more boot room, you can of course slide those forward and create as much room as you need. Boot shuts on a press. As I say, the finish on the Ravenna Blue paintwork is absolutely lovely. Nice bright colour, pairs well with the gloss black, as you can see from the side profile there. Now this one's also got quite a rare feature, which is the lane assist feature. So it tracks when you're in a certain lane, and if, say, you lost concentration, just started to slip over the white lines, it will nudge you back in to stop you from, essentially if you got tired at the wheel, to stop you from heading off the road. Now this one's got adaptive cruise control as well, so speeds up and slows down with the traffic in front when you're in cruise control. And does also have a fully digital dash. Heated front seats on this one too. It does have the blind spot monitor, which is this little bit that you see just in the side of the wing mirror there. So if somebody's coming alongside you to overtake, you might be in your blind spot, that'll flash orange just so that you know they're about to come past. We supply this one as a delivery mileage vehicle. There's no VAT to pay on it. And it has had its first service at Volkswagen very recently. So fully ready to go. Great condition and very, very high spec model. Now we do offer finance facilities for both private and business customers. And we welcome part exchanges. You can see the full advert and all the photos, description, etc. on the website at martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. If you'd like any further details or to arrange an appointment to view, please do get in touch. Thanks for watching.